there's a really good extension out there for the Google Chrome browser that you can use to annotate and mark up web pages. So let me show you what I mean. If I go to, this is just a Wikipedia site for David Bowie. After the page loads, you'll notice a few things that'll be different about my web page here. So you noticed I have this first paragraph highlighted here. Okay, and I also have this little sticky note here, which if I hover over it, it displays a note that I've tagged on. So these things are attached to the web page. So no matter where if I close out of the web page, I'll even, here I'm going to copy the link, or I won't even use the copy. I'll just go to Wikipedia and search David Bowie to show you that those annotations, they still exist on that web page for me. So if I go back to the David Bowie web page here for Wikipedia, there's my annotations again. So it's really easy to add. All you really have to do is you can highlight any text on the web page as long as you have the Diigo extension running, and you get these little options here. So I can highlight it, I could add a little sticky note. I'm just going to highlight this one blue, and now that text is highlighted in blue. If I want to get rid of that, I just hover over it, hit delete. Okay, so there's a few options there. We're going to go over some of the more of the features of the Diigo extension in the Chrome browser in another video, because this is such a feature-rich extension. But you can see my extensions running up here. You can tell this is a web page that's annotated because of that little blue red bookmark there. But one more thing I want to show you with this extension is if you go to your extension up here and then click on this little square box right here, this one right there, that'll take you to your library. And I just recently cleaned up my library, so there's you'll notice it's pretty empty right now. But this is essentially where you can store everything on the web that you have highlighted. And not only is it here all in one place, but it's searchable. So I could come up here and I can search, David, and here's my David Bowie web page that comes up, and it even tells me I have this little number right here tells me I have two highlights in here. I've got my comment where I said David Bowie is considered one of the greatest rock stars of all time, and then I have my highlight there that I've highlighted. But then if I close out of my search, you can see I have different documents there. These are more features. I want to go over more features in a later video, but that kind of covers just kind of the basics. Now, to get this extension, you just go to the Chrome Web Store. So all you have to do is go to chrome.google.com/webstore, and then you can search Diigo, and you'll get this option right here, the Diigo Web Collector. That's the extension I'm using. And then there will be an Add to Chrome button right here. I already have it, so it's missing there, but you can add that to your Chrome web browser, and you'll be ready to go.